How to set up free shipping on TikTok Shop. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your TikTok Shop, and after that, on the left hand side panel, you should be able to see a list of different options, and there you would be able to find promotions. Simply click on it, and after that you would be able to see campaigns and promotional tools. Simply select the option of promotional tools, and after that you need to scroll down, and there you would be able to find the option of shipping fee discount, and it might be unavailable in the beginning, and after your probationary period is over it will be available for you as well. So after that you can select this particular tool and get your shipping fee discounts for your customers, and this way you can increase your conversions, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.